From students to working people, from picnics to cafes, sandwiches are an ideal snack to munch on. It is a quick snack that can be made without much effort, and everyone has their own style of making the stuffing between the two slices of bread. Magic with Maggi Masala sandwiches are on our menu today. So, the ingredients for it are 8 slices of sandwich bread, cheese, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, tomato, onion, 1 green chilli, 2 cloves of garlic. Next we have Maggi Masala Magic. This is a very common Maggi masala that we use while preparing vegetables. Melted butter, black pepper, salt and olive oil. So we are going to first roughly cut the onion, tomato and the 2 cloves of garlic because we are going to anyways grind them together. Next, we will finely chop half portion of green bell pepper and half portion of red bell pepper. Make sure the pieces are really small. The smaller, the better it's going to taste inside the sandwich. Since today I only have green and red bell pepper in my fridge, so I'm going to make the sandwich with these two only. But in case you want to use yellow, go ahead and use it. It will also taste good with the other two. Now we are going to make the spread for the sandwich, for which we are going to add half a tablespoon of olive oil, and then we are going to add the roughly cut onion, garlic, tomatoes and saute it for a few minutes till the onions start becoming translucent. Once the onion has become translucent, we are going to add the Maggi masala and saute it for another minute. Now it's done. We are going to turn the flame off and keep it aside to cool. We are going to grind them, but before that we are going to add this green chilli and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's done. We're going to transfer it onto a bowl. We'll take 1 slice of bread, spread this paste evenly over it. Here we are just spreading this paste on 1 slice of bread. Now on it we'll put some red bell peppers and the green bell pepper. Next we are going to grate the cheese. After grating cheese, we are going to sprinkle black pepper over it, and next cover it with the other slice of bread. We are using a cast iron pan here, and I'm going to brush butter before grilling the sandwich. Cover it with a plate, and I'm going to put a weight. I've put a weight also over it, and we are going to cook each side for 1 minute for 2 times. Before flipping the sandwich, I'm going to brush butter on the top slice of the sandwich, and now I'm going to gently flip the side and again put the plate and the weight and again cook it for 1 minute. If you want to make your sandwich more crunchy, then you can brush more butter while flipping the sides of the sandwich. Transfer it onto a plate. Here our sandwiches are ready. We all know that the Maggi masala works with many kinds of veggies, but to add it onto a spread of a sandwich was a bit of an experience for me, and it worked out really well for me. I would also want you all to try it out at least once and do share in your experiences with me, and do subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more such interesting recipes to you. So see you soon.